The Pacific Ocean, a vast expanse of blue, holds many secrets. On January 15, 2022, one of those secrets roared to life. The Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai volcano erupted with a violence rarely seen. The eruption sent shockwaves around the world. It punched a hole in the atmosphere, sending a plume miles high. The eruption was heard thousands of miles away. People in Alaska reported hearing sonic booms. The energy released was equivalent to hundreds of atomic bombs. A massive plume of ash shot into the atmosphere. This plume was visible from space. The eruption was a sobering reminder of our planet's power. Studying the eruption helps us understand the risks posed by submarine volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions are measured on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, a logarithmic scale from 0 to 8. Each step up in the scale represents an eruption 10 times more powerful than the last. The Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption is estimated to be a VI 5 or 6. This puts it on par with the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens and the 1883 eruption of Krakatoa, both events that caused widespread devastation and loss of life. The sheer energy released by the Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption was staggering. The blast was heard as far away as Australia, over 2,000 miles from the eruption site. The pressure wave from the eruption circled the globe 4 times. This pressure wave was so powerful that it caused minor fluctuations in air pressure around the world. The eruption also generated an unprecedented amount of lightning. In the hours after the eruption, over 400,000 lightning strikes were recorded in the vicinity of the volcano. This is the highest rate of lightning ever recorded in association with a volcanic eruption. Scientists believe that the lightning was generated by the interaction of volcanic ash, water vapor and ice crystals in the eruption plume. The Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption was a stark demonstration of the power of nature. It was a reminder that we live on a dynamic planet, constantly shaped and reshaped by forces far beyond our control. Understanding these forces is crucial not just for scientific curiosity, but for our own survival. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption was the sheer volume of water vapor it injected into the stratosphere. The eruption created a massive plume of water vapor, estimated to be 146 teragrams or 146 trillion kilograms. This is equivalent to about 10% of the water vapor already present in the stratosphere. This massive injection of water vapor is significant because the stratosphere is typically very dry. Water vapor is a potent greenhouse gas, and its presence in the stratosphere can have a warming effect on the planet. Scientists are still studying the potential long-term impacts of this water vapor on global temperatures. Some researchers believe that the water vapor could have a slight warming effect on global temperatures over the next few years. However, this effect is expected to be small and temporary. The eruption also released sulfur dioxide, which has a cooling effect. The net impact of the eruption on global temperatures is still uncertain. The Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption provided a unique opportunity to study the impact of large volcanic eruptions on the atmosphere. By monitoring the movement and evolution of the water vapor plume, scientists can improve their understanding of atmospheric circulation patterns and the transport of gases and particles in the atmosphere. The Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption didn't just impact the atmosphere, it also triggered a series of tsunamis that spread across the Pacific Ocean. Tsunamis are a series of long-wavelength ocean waves caused by the displacement of a large volume of water. In this case, the displacement was caused by the collapse of the volcano's caldera. The tsunamis generated by the eruption reached heights of up to 49 feet or 15 meters in some areas. These waves caused significant damage to coastal communities in Tonga, Fiji, and other Pacific Island nations. The tsunamis even reached the coasts of North and South America, causing minor damage in some areas. The eruption also generated seismic waves that were felt around the world. Seismometers as far away as Antarctica recorded the seismic activity. The seismic waves were so powerful that they caused minor earthquakes in some areas. The tsunami and seismic activity generated by the Hunga Tonga-Hunga Ha'apai eruption highlighted the interconnectedness of our planet. Events that occur in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences, even thousands of miles away. This event served as a stark reminder of the importance of international cooperation in monitoring and responding to natural disasters.